Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by making sure both devices are ready: charge, proximity, and app access. Open the Fitpro app and sign in so the watch can register with your account. Turn on Bluetooth on your phone and keep the watch awake while pairing. When the app prompts for permissions, grant contacts, call logs, and notifications. This is why the watch can display caller ID and route calls. Once done, tap Pair or Add Device in the app to begin the direct connection process. Once your devices are paired, you configure how calls behave. In the app, choose Call Notifications or Call Audio. Enabling Call Audio lets you use the watch speaker or Bluetooth headset. Confirm the pairing code on both devices so they trust each other. Sync your contacts so incoming calls show names. Make sure background app refresh is allowed so the app can maintain the link. If you use a headset, connect it to the phone first. Then set the watch to prefer local audio or notifications, depending on your setup. To finish, place a test call and check that the watch shows the caller and routes audio correctly. If you don't hear audio or the watch fails to show the caller, restart Bluetooth on both devices and try repairing. This often fixes transient link errors. Make sure the Fitpro app still has call and notification permissions, and update firmware and app if available. If problems persist, reset the watch network or Bluetooth settings, then pair fresh. This clears misconfigurations while preserving watch data.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.